Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's project, I'm going to be upcycling my chest of drawers. So yeah, I'm going to be taking these handles out because they're all just ruined and half of them are snapped off anyway. And there's not even one at the bottom there. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be spray painting it silver, and then to use as handles, right? 1 second. So I've got some of this, like rope stuff. So it's going to be weaved through one side and the other side, tied on the inside, but through the rope for the handles. Do you see these? Like you get them from Poundland. And you put them on the lights. So I'm just going to be taking them off, like so. I might just use 2 for each. I'm going to drill a hole in this way. There's already a hole that side. And then thread it through. So then, when there's 2 of them, at least look, there can be the handles. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out all the drawers and then I'm going to start spray painting the sides, and then I'm going to start with the drawers after. But yeah, so I will start taking the drawers out and I'll show you what it looks like, you know, without the drawers in, and then yeah, but yeah, so so bye for now. I've taken all the drawers out. I'm not going to be spray painting it on the inside or inside the drawers, but the outside, yeah, that'll do perfect. Yeah, it's got a few like bits and marks on, but I'm gonna wipe it down, and then yeah, with this bit I did a little tester to see what it would end up looking like. So yeah, that's looking quite alright. So I'm gonna go ahead with the spray paint in a minute after I've gave it a wipe. So yeah, right, so 1 second. Right. So I've got 1 tin of spray paint there. Give me a second. Got some here as well, and here. And here. Sorry, I had to pause so I could go dig them out. I forgot to dig them ones out. Yeah, so there's like what, half in there. Just over half in there. And half in there, and then I've got a full one here. But I thought, oh, just in case, because I don't want to run out of it. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start. Well, I'm gonna wipe it first, and then I'm gonna spray paint it. So I'll be back soon. I'll start with 1 coat on maybe the top bit, see what that looks like, and then go from there. So yeah. Hi everyone, so I wiped it down and I went over with 1 coat of spray paint, but it's turned out like this. It almost looks like clouds, doesn't it? In the sky. But yeah, carry on with this. I'm gonna be putting another coat over, so then it'll be covered. Then I'm gonna start spray painting the rest of it. These underneath, I'm not even gonna bother spray painting them because you're not gonna see them. I do have a bit of OCD, and it will do my head in a bit. But if I go to spray paint the sides of them, it's gonna go on there, and then I'll have to spray paint the rest of it, and I ain't got enough paint for that, so gotta make do with what I've got. But yeah, so I shall be back soon, and I'll go over with a coat on the rest of it as well and see what it turns out like. Right, so I spray painted around it and that. I'm gonna I've changed my mind on a little bit because of how much I've got left. So obviously there's like there's 4 drawers, so I'm gonna be doing 2, which I've already spray painted these ones in white gloss, and then the other 2 will be in silver. So yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like after I've spray painted it all, and then yeah. Right, so bye for now. Hey everyone, so I'm going to be doing the handle bits now. So this is, I've took like 2 of them off the LD light thingamabobs. So they had holes on these sides with rubber bits. I took the rubber bits out. I did try going with a nail, but then it just comes apart there. But yeah, what I did is I got some wire cutters and just went around pretty much, on these bits. See, don't know if I can get it right, but there, right, and then just go around that bit, so you create a hole like that, like so. So then they will be like that, and then all you've got to do is, one minute, let's just try with the other side. There we go. Right, so you got this bit, so you're gonna be like threading it through. So then that's one, and then there's one minute, it's been stubborn. It's getting it all the way through. Right, there we go. Right, so then they will be like that, like so. And then once it's been threaded through, it'll hook on, and then these 2 will be the handle bits. So then at least with the rope bit, it's not gonna be like, hurting your hand sort of. So yeah, so I'll be back soon. I've finished, guys. So yeah, it's all spray painted and that in silver, and I've done 2 white, 2 silver. These are the handles. So let's just say, like, yeah, so they are like tied on in the inside, and then these, so like, look, so you go like that, pull, and then just push shut. So yeah, it's all done. So can you subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, comment below what you think, or if there's anything that you would like me to do, and share to everybody and make this video go viral. So I shall see, and don't forget to put notifications on. And I shall see you all next time. Bye for now.